capacitor. So guys, it is a test video, so you may have some problems. So loop law in capacitor. Okay, let I have a question in which we have two capacitor and two batteries connected. Okay, so let me draw a circuit. Let it have a 10-volt battery connection connected in series with a capacitor. Then we have a battery connection of 4 volt which is connected to a capacitor like this. Okay, this is of 10 volt, this is of 2 microfarad, and it is of 2 microfarad. Okay, now what we have to do is, we know that delta of V is equal to 0. Here, what is the voltage of a capacitor? Let we talk about this. It will be something V is equal to Q upon C. Okay, now what we have to do, we are going to apply loop law in this capacitor. Okay, so if we see this 10 voltage battery, it has a positive terminal here and a negative terminal this side. So the capacitor inside right side by this 10 volt of supply, the capacitor will also be charged negatively. Okay, and opposite side it will be charged as positive. When we go downwards, something charge Q is coming. When this charge go downwards, here it is positive charge terminal, it is negative charge, so the capacitor will be charged negatively this side and positively this side, minus of Q and plus of Q. Now what we will do, we will apply loop law in this. So how we will apply? Okay, we will move from positive to negative terminal. Okay, let me move like this. Okay, we apply a anti-clockwise loop law in this circuit. Okay, now what will be the equations? Okay, so let me talk about what will be the equation. Let me start from 2 microfarad of capacitor, or let me start from the 10 volt DC supply. Okay, so by applying KVL, we take here from positive to negative. Okay, we will take the terminal, the symbol from where the battery, the loop is going. Okay, we will the rightmost terminal in this, like in, for example, if we are applying loop law in anti-clockwise direction like this, so I will take the symbol of this terminal. Okay, when we will go here in this capacitor, we will take the terminal of we will take rightmost terminal. Okay, so hence when we will talk about this and apply loop law, it will be, the equation will be like minus of 10 volt, then minus to plus in this capacitor minus to plus, so it will be plus of something, the charge is q here, and we know what is the voltage of a capacitor, it is q by c. Okay, so it will be q divided by c, that is 2 microfarad. Okay, that is 2 microfarad. And when we will start, we will go, now we will come through this one, it will be minus. Okay, because from current is going from positive to negative terminal. Okay, so we will take minus of 4 volt, and again when we'll come to this capacitor, it will be minus to positive, we will take plus of q upon 2 equal to 0. When we will solve, we will get something minus of 16. Okay, I am deleting all. Okay, it will be, let me write all the formulas. I think you all don't have any problem here. Okay, I can't see the comments right now that we are live. We will take the live session like this. It is a test video, so that you can understand how, I can even understand how can I am able to teach it or not by this, using this application. Okay, so it is something 10 plus q by 2 minus of 4 plus of q by 2, that is equal to 0. Okay, so it is going to be, if I go backwards, like something like this. Okay, so that okay, so what equation we will get now, it will be minus of 16 plus q is equal to 0. From here the value of q is equal to 16 coulomb, micro coulomb. Okay, it will be q is equal to 16 micro coulomb. Okay, so when we will talk about voltage here in this capacitor, it will be something 16 by 2. Okay, so it is the loop law. Okay.